Welcome back to my channel. I am Kenneth Hines, photographer Kenneth Hines, and I'm here with my friend David Glenn. And so we're shooting this beautiful waterfall, one of our favorites to come to. And so what David is doing is that we're both shooting with new cameras. David is shooting with, what is it that you're shooting with?
Sony a7r?
Close enough. a7r.
a7r.
With the Carl Zeiss 24mm full frame lens.
f2.0.
f2.0.
Yeah.
So this is the f2.0 Carl Zeiss. And I'm also shooting Sony, but I'm shooting with the newer alpha camera body, which is the a77 Mark II. And mounted on top is the 16-50 f2.8. So full frame APS, both Sony cameras. Okay, so what I'm doing right now is doing some brackets, and I actually switch lenses, and I'm using the lens that David had, the Carl Zeiss 24mm or f2, and that's what I'm framing up to get right now. And so if I put that in focus, I'm doing 5 different frames. They're all in RAW. And so we're going to see exactly how these images come out, especially with the Carl Zeiss. Much better glass than what I had on the front, but the 16-50 is still a relatively good lens. So we'll see what we get from this particular lens. We certainly are going to be interested to see what his thoughts are on using a Sony camera for the very first time, as he's a Nikon shooter. Normally he shoots with the Nikon D800, D810, and D300.
This is not good.
So the first port that we both actually just realized, and this is if you're using alpha lenses with the E-mount lenses of the Sony, of any of the NEX cameras or the full frame A7 series. This is actually the adapter for if you're using A-mount lenses. And if you notice, the camera actually is moving. And so we're actually not sure on why that is, and you actually can't tighten that up. So I kind of changed positions and have this nice beautiful frame in front of me that I'm shooting. So you can kind of see what I'm getting ready to take a few images of. So we have our 5 brackets which are set up right now. Just beautiful.
Stealing your shot.
Well, that's one easy way to kind of describe that.
This is where that 20-pound weight would have been really good. Because this camera's so light, it does give a lot of shake.
So as you can see who's the most adventurous out of the two of us. Now mind you, we are out here on the first day of winter. So this water is extra cold. I personally would not do what he's doing right now. Now see, this is the kind of stuff that it takes when you want to get that perfect photo, because this water is very cold and he's about to be swimming in it if he's not careful. And so mind you, we do have...
Get the insurance.
I'll be sure to collect on that insurance. So to keep in mind is that we're both using, you know, very heavy duty professional tripods that have these different levels that they can do, you know, the professional ball heads, so that way we're able to get these very unique and different angles. So that's coming in handy for what we're shooting and how we have our cameras mounted. As you kind of see how I have mine mounted kind of in a going in a perpendicular format, so that way I can get a little bit lower.
We're out at our favorite waterfall, and Kenneth has got his hands on the, what is that, the a7r?
This is the Sony a7r.
So what are your opinions, thoughts?
Now, this is not my first time using a Sony camera, but I will say this. I understand how David was using this camera. It's very different. You got to get used to the controls, how there's not as many buttons as you have on the a77 Mark II that I shoot with. And it kind of takes a little bit of time to kind of figure out where things are. It is a different feel. But I like the size of it. That's one of the benefits for me, is I like the size of it. It's compact. I'm eager to see how the picture quality is, since I've never shot full frame before. This is my first time experiencing the full frame camera.
Which lens is that?
This is the Carl Zeiss 85mm 1.4. So from your second day of shooting with the a7r, what are your thoughts today?
It's cold. I like the 24 f2. I definitely like the a77 functionality-wise. This doesn't have enough buttons, so I find myself going into the menu to fix things that I normally have one or two buttons to do on the Nikon or even on the a77. But I like the quality.